Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. So as you see now I'm in my temporary studio. It's not a proper studio, it's just a working room. So probably I just moved to Istanbul and I will be building a new studio in here, but it's gonna take couple of months probably because we are still waiting for some permission from the government. So till then I just settled this room. As you see, it's a reverby room. I didn't put any of the acoustic foams to here. So yeah, probably for a couple of months I will be working in this room. So I just got these headphones because as I said, I'm not gonna treat this room acoustically. So I'm gonna keep producing while these headphones are on. So if you guys interested, I can also make a video about it because those are kind of like very high-end headphones. And you also need some amplifier to run, drive these headphones. And actually there's a way to use these headphones just like a studio monitors. There's some software that help you. It's totally free. If you guys are interested, I can also shoot a tutorial about it. Just let me know in the comment section. So regarding to today's video, this is going to be a first look of the VoxGuru plugin from the home recordings, the THR plugins. And also guys, we will make a giveaway for 3 people. We will just give 3 license codes for free. To participate, all you gotta do is just comment this video, and if you're ready, let's jump to the tutorial. So guys, for this tutorial, I just prepared this vocals and this quick track.
The world is ours, so we dance. Stay here for hours in a trance. Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a timeout.
So let's check what's the capabilities of THR's VoxGuru to process these vocals. So as you see guys, this plugin is like an all-in-one tool, similar to my vocal processing chain that I created in Patcher, but this one is pretty much advanced and I was really enjoying exploring this plugin. So one of the good features of this plugin, it looked like a one plugin, but actually you are getting 5 different plugins. Once you get it, you will get a compressor, an EQ section, a saturator, a delay and reverb module, and also an FX module like doubler, phone chorus, amplifier, and vocal harmonizer. And the other good thing is like you can change the order of the plugins, so you can create whatever chain you want to create. So let's go one by one. First of all, we have the compressor module in here, and for all the plugins, you will have a simpler interface just like that, but you can just go to the advanced and tweak the details if it's needed. So in the screen part of the modules, you can change from different types, like a dynamic compression, clean compression, analog, and tube. Let's go tube. And then, for example, this is just the threshold knob. Let's push it and it's just gonna compress the vocals.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a timeout.
And for the desync, again, the same logic.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out.
So as you see, it's just catching the siblings. But for my taste, I think it's catching a little bit too mid frequencies. So we can fix it with going advanced settings in here. And then, yeah, with this frequency knob, I can just put it like 6K, 7K. I think that's the frequency that is harsh.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a time.
That's perfect. It's just doing its job. What I would like to see in the future updates, this THR module currently is like lowering all the volumes of the vocals, right? When the siblings are hitting. So I think this could be multiband. So let's check it out if it's really the case.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a
No, I think it's already multiband, but I think this could be a little bit more, narrow in the Q factor. So I think, I'm not sure, but I think it's just like dipping like this, dipping like this, the frequency I think it could be like this. Then it would be perfect. It could be my on-the-go de-esser module because it's providing also these cool settings. But even like this, it's pretty decent.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna.
So lights out, just check this out.
Turn the lights out.
Very smooth now.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions.
I like it. Next module. That's like an predetermined EQ curve. So all you gotta do is just put the master on, like the dry wet effect, how much you want to apply this EQ. So this is not an EQ to fix the problems in the vocal. You again, maybe probably before this plugin, you need to, deep the dirty frequencies, do your usual stuff on the vocals. But after that, you can just apply this color to the vocal to give it a little bit identity, I can say.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
See the difference.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a time.
And we have different characters to choose. For example, the pop, it has more mid frequencies than the classic one.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a timeout. Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about.
So you like the curve? Just go to advanced, and then you can also tweak the settings. Maybe you want more body, like you can use it like a 4-band EQ.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out.
And also in this screen, you can just adjust the frequency as well, just like a regular 4-band EQ, as I said.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
I think it added a lot to the sound. The next module, it's the distortion, the saturation module. So again, 4 different distortion types, and the tape is my favorite. You just push the drive like that.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the
Tube is also pretty nice.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your.
And if you go to advanced, then you can control the other parameters like bias, tone, and also the mix for drive it. So the input and output gains are like gain matched now. So as much as you push the input, it's just reducing the output, so you only hear the effect, you don't hear any volume changes. Even you can just parallel mix them. Maybe you push the driven the sound a lot, but you can use it like 10 to 15%, then you can just have the original vocal and a little bit of saturated vocal.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
And the 4th module, guys, that's the reverb and delay module. So you can go room, whole, chamber, small, medium, large, huge, tons of different settings for reverb. And for the delay, you can also choose pin-pon or not. So let's start with easy settings, simple settings, reverb, push the delay, and that's it.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions.
And also, as you see, there's a duck function in here, so which means sidechain delay and reverb. Whenever the vocal is singing, it's just reducing the sound volume of the effect itself, so which gives you much more clean sound.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
And then if you go to advanced settings, I'm gonna choose pin-pon in here. Maybe the width could be bigger in the delay. So some settings like that.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about.
It sounds pretty nice. And yeah, as I said, there are different types of reverbs that you can choose. All those settings are changing whenever you are choosing a different preset in here. And lastly, we got the FX section. So as I said, the harmony function is pretty nice. Maybe I can just turn off all the FX just to hear the harmony clearly. So my vocal is in F minor. I'm gonna choose F. I'm gonna choose minor and let's see how it's gonna be.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a timeout. Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about.
I think that's good enough to use in the chorus section. So let me check in the advanced settings. What can we do? So that's playing the center, the original vocal, and the third of it. So, and the third in the reverse, right? So maybe it could play the fifth in the top. Yeah, just like a regular chord. Let's see how it's gonna sound.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
I'm gonna deactivate the second voice and the first voice. Let's try all of them. I think it's very good to be able to customize it.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
That's perfect. The fifth in the lowest octave. That's very useful. Oh, we can also change in terms of stance. That's also nice. Let's try +3 in here.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
That's cool. And the second voice, what can we do? We can put the 6 as well.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a
Both of them plays the fifth. Is it possible?
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions.
Or maybe two of them could play the fifth in the low.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just.
That's pretty nice to explore. Let's check the other FXs as well. So, what is this amplifier? I didn't try this one.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a time.
It's like you are passing the signal through a cabinet. That's pretty useful if you automate it. And the chorus is just a chorus.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out.
So for the chorus, probably I will prepare the doubler. Let's listen all of them.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a timeout.
I think chorus is pretty nice too.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a timeout. Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a timeout.
That's pretty nice. So let me add another instance of this plugin because I don't want to lose this one. So also guys, there are tons of different presets that you can choose. Let's check, for example, subtle phaser preset.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about.
That's nice. Let's keep digging this minor centered harmony. Let's see.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
This settings is awesome. Let me combine this with mine. If I deactivate this from here, so I can just use it like this.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just time out. I just need a timeout.
Very enjoyed that one. Also, let's see. We have aggressive chorus.
Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout. Turn the lights out, we just need a timeout. I just need a timeout. Turn the lights out, I just wanna know about your intentions. We don't need a hideout.
Yeah, guys, actually, these presets are pretty nice. So guys, the plugin works like that. Currently, this plugin is on 50% sale because of the launch. I'm gonna put a link to the description if you want to check it out. And also, we will give three free copy to random 3 people. To participate, all you gotta do is just comment this video. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you can apply these tricks to your own productions as well, guys. See you very soon. Bye bye.